Almost done. Dump truck, unload.
The most interesting part. Unloading.
I can't delay. We must hurry. Whoa! Dump truck, stop! There's a school bus.
Almost unloaded.
You fooled the school bus. What? How? It's okay. I'll get him out.
You've got to watch where you're going. I'll get you out.
Sorry guys, I was just in a big hurry. I'm on my way. Thanks again.
Now, let's finish this, guys. The school bus is going like crazy. You should see it. Yeah, it'd be cool to see.
I'll unload it back.
Pouring cement. Great job, guys. Let's go get some rest.